Hello everyone, welcome to Big Data Knowledge Hunt. Today we will be seeing the top applications that are real-time applications where machine learning is the part of the application. So in the daily life we are using some of the applications of machine learning, but we are unaware that they have a machine learning part incorporated in it. So we will see one by one what are the different applications. So the introduction video to machine learning will be provided in the description box. Go through it. So first best example that we use in the daily life is the Google search engine or the Google translator. So here we can translate from one language to another language by using the Google translator. So it is the best example of machine learning. So we will see one live example of this. So here I have opened the Google translation as translator. As you can see here, I have typed the English command as how you are doing. So for how you are doing, the specific Italian translated text has been come to my screen. So this is the translation engine which works perfectly for us. So we can transfer from any language to another language. Like if I say change the language to Japanese. So for how you are doing, the specific translator has been provided on the window. So how this has been happened? So it is the part of machine learning. So here the machine learning is incorporated and easily from one language to another language the text is being translated. So this is the best example in daily life we use the machine learning. Next is the healthcare. So healthcare is the next industry where widely the machine language or the big data is being used to manage the data, to store it in a small manner, or to get more specific result from the healthcare data. We use the machine learning part in it. So if there are different applications of health in healthcare of machine learning. So if you want to see, I will just show you some of the applications where machine learning is being used, like to identify the disease and to diagnose the specific medications for a specific disease. IBM has developed a different softwares which worked on specific criteria. Also for medical image diagnosis or AI based technologies for cancer treatment and for personalization medications. So in the different areas in healthcare we use machine learning, like to maintain the clinical trail and for research industry, as well as to manage the large amount of data generated by the medical industry. So in different ways we use the machine learning part, and the healthcare is the most important industry where research is blooming nowadays by using different machine learning algorithms to predict the accurate medications for a specific disease based on their symptoms and based on the clinical record. The next is the cyber analytics. So as we all know, due to social media, there are different frauds that are taking place in banking sector as well as in normal financial sectors also. So we are facing different issues while doing the online payment or while we are doing different techniques. We are facing different issues while doing the online payment. Why are these issues arising? Because of the large amount of data is being generated by different social media, different blogs, news, daily bulletins, or different media platforms. So it is difficult to manage the data and to store it in a more secure way so that the frauders or the it should not be visible to any other organization which are not trustworthy. So to manage such type of data or to prevent the fraud that are being taking place in the industry today, machine learning is the part of it. So it visualize or analyze the data based on different parameters, and easily we can detect the frauds from the database provided. So cyber industry is also one of the industry where machine learning is the part of research. The next thing is the robotics. So as we all know, nowadays robots are being the most research field where they are giving their each researchers are giving their 100% to provide the best result, like the robots which behave like a human being. Not only they work the do the work instructed by the human being, but also some of their uh, they are easily understandable, they understand the emotions of human being. So how these things are incorporated in the robot, it is being done by using different machine learning algorithms and techniques. So robotics is the field where for mechanical field the machine learning comes into picture and it is used widely. The next thing is the data analysis. So this is a industry where to analyze the large amount of data and to gain more insights from the data, the machine learning algorithms are being used. Like if we take the example of a companies such as Amazon, Flipkart, or if we take the companies as Ola, Uber. So these companies have a large amount of database, and it is very difficult for them to manage such type of database and to gain insights from data to recover the more important customers or to recover the more important features from the data. They use the machine learning algorithms. Like here the example is shown for cart analysis or for predicting something from the healthcare data or to manage the data generated by the social media. So these are some of the applications of machine learning. And the final part is the social media analytics. So daily a large amount of data which is generating is mainly from the social media. We use WhatsApp. Per second, there are TBs of data generating by WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. So it is difficult for these companies to manage the data. So they use the big data techniques to manage and store the data in an effective and secure manner. And they use the machine learning algorithms to gain the insight from the data so that they can dump the unwanted data and just store the relevant and the important data. So to remove the unwanted data also machine learning algorithm is used, and to gain the information from the important data also different machine learning algorithms has been used. So these are some of the applications that are the real-time application where machine learning comes into the picture. I hope you are clear with the idea what are the real-time applications that we use in day-to-day life, and we are the part of the machine learning industry. So thank you for watching the videos. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel and also follow me for Instagram for daily updates on machine learning and big data. Thank you.